Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Minooy Bali over the shoulder bag. This was sent to me by the Minooy firm in China, asking if I would do a video just to show the bag, and I'm going to open up the box now and show you what's inside it. It's well wrapped in here too. I have already opened this before, but I've put it all back in the box and that to do with the video. So I know exactly what's in, but I'm going to tell you. Anyway, there's a card inside that says, "Dear member, thank you so much for your order." Well, this was free from Minooy to me for to do this video. We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. We'd love to hear your thoughts or see pictures at Minooy. Enjoy 20% off your next purchase with this coupon code. If you have any doubt about your order, please feel free to contact and has a support at Minooy. And that's the thank you card that you get with your order. I'm going to undo this seal on the top here. I'll get rid of the box out of the way now. And it comes packed in a nice bag. Actually, it could be handy, that bag, for a lot of things. I'll take the bag out. You know, before I even open this bag, I can smell the leather. Oh, I love the smell of leather. It's a lovely smell. And this is the bag. And it has press studs there. This is a side. And it's press studs to there, and that is press stud to the side of the bag, and it opens up. There's a lot of compartments. There's another large compartment here. It has a small strap if you just want to hook it onto the side for you know, just to hold it by the handle, or there's a long strap for over the shoulder, so that's handy for that. And I can see the nice pockets inside, and there's lots of things inside for putting cards and lots of other pockets in. Zips. There's so many pockets in this. Zip. There's more pockets inside. Yeah, these pockets there. Oh, that clip has got. It's catching on my sweater. It's that stuff that sticks to you. There's another zip on this side. And there's lots of pockets inside there, and pockets with zips inside as well here. I'm going to go onto my phone and show it from a height above so you can have a better view of what the bag consists of. So this is a better view of the bag, and I have filled it full of all my rubbish. So I'm going to show you what it will hold. I will not be using all the amount of stuff I have in here anyway, but this is just to let you see what it will hold. So lots of zips. That's the first zip I'm opening up, and I have a lot of things in here. A little bag for when I'm shopping. I have a charger for my phone if I need it. It's a pen and a crochet hook. You never know what I might need a crochet hook for. A tape measure. So that's some of the things out of that pocket. And there are press studs here. Well, they're like magnetic press studs. You just pull them apart like that, and there we have the section here. This part here, there's a little pocket in here, and I've got this is my old phone. I'm just putting my old phone in to show you what it holds. There's that pocket, and then there's all the little pockets here where you can put all your cards. If you don't want to carry a purse with you, you can put all your cards in the little sections in that part. There's quite a few more behind there, but you can get there's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, there's 9 little pockets for to put cards in there, which is very handy. And then I will open the centre. This is the very centre of the bag. And as you can see, I have my purse. I have a little notebook. And my dobbers when I go to the bingo. Now that is my bingo board. And that fits in quite snug. So there's plenty of room, and that just has there's a magnetic press stud again. That closes up like that. You just open it up and take that out. And it also holds, this is my tablet. This is an 11-inch tablet. And that one fits in quite snugly as well. And then you can fasten that. I think I've got too much in at the moment for it to fasten, but it does fasten when it's emptied. So I'll take that out. And we'll open up this zipper part. Another zipper. I have a checkbook in here. Some hair things if I need them. Slides and perfume. And there are also pockets with a zip in here. You can store little things in secret if you want to in there. And then there's another zipper compartment. And this has little compartments here. And I've got deodorant, a pair of scissors, and I like a pack of playing cards in my purse. You never know what I might need them for, and a few hankies. And I also have another little zipper compartment in there. And I have paracetamol. You never know when I might need it. A few elastoplasts. They come in handy. You know, ladies' things as well, which my age you need things like that. So there's lots of compartments, as you can see. There's one compartment there, and then there's a whole compartment inside for whatever you want to put inside it. And then 2 little pockets here for anything you want to hide. There's the centre pocket, or the centre part of the bag actually. And when the other things aren't all full of stuff, The tablet fits in better because there was too much stuff in before for it to shut, but the tablet fits in and it closes with the catch there. I'll take that back out again. That's in case you need to take your tablet with you anywhere. It's quite safe in there because it's quite padded. And then there's the other zipper compartment. There's a small zipped compartment inside there for hiding things in there. And two other little pockets here. And then whatever you want to put inside there. And then the compartments with all your cards. And a compartment here for your phone. And anything else that you might need to put in these little pots there. And that's the last compartment there. You can just fill with whatever you need to fill it with. It's a very nice bag. It's very soft, you can bend it. And if I was in the market to buy a bag, this would be the kind of bag I would buy. This one here has the press studs that fastens it. I find the right place. So that stops that part falling down when you've got it full. And like you're seeing, you have the straps. There's a little wrist strap. And the over the shoulder strap, which is what I'll be using. I like my bag over my shoulder. And then you have the little Minooy badge, little badge on the side. It just has a Minooy. Very handy bag. Something I like actually. I've still got something in there. I'll have to have a look. Oh, I know, I forgot. I missed something. A lighter. I don't smoke, but a lighter does come in handy. I have used it for the to burn little things, little bits of paper, and that's what I'll keep it one handy. So that's a little lighter as well. So that's my review of this. This is the, I have to look at the name on here. This is the Bali 3-layer leather crossbody and clutch bag. And I would recommend this to anyone. The price for this bag is in dollars on the site. It's $169, which I think works out around about £128, which I think is quite good for what it is, what's in it, and what you can get in it. There's an awful lot that you can get into these bags for the size. Well, it looks like nothing that's in the size, but there's a lot of compartments, and that is something I would be willing to buy if I was in the market for one. But I don't need to buy it because I've got this one free from Minooy. So I will put the Minooy link into my description box. Anyone that wants to take a look and see, they don't just have these bags, they have lots of other things, wallets and purses and things like that. It's worth taking a look. And I think there are quite a lot of bargains where a lot of percentage off at the moment. So have a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll let you see whenever I get around to anything else. So bye for now.